Hi, and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Phil, aka Phil, and today I want to share with you a little bit about my thoughts as an introvert shooting street photography, specifically street photography of people, since I saw a few weeks ago a video of Jay Ducker, who made a great video about this topic. I will link you the video up here. Check out his channel, that's amazing stuff what he produces. As you see, I'm in a public space and speaking to myself, it's a little bit weird, but okay. Practicing this stuff as an introvert, but okay. After seeing Jay's video, I had a little bit of my own thoughts which I would like to add, and therefore this video about being an introvert and shooting street photography in public of strangers. First thing I want to add is basically try to not care about sharing your stuff. Just shoot for yourself. If you are like me, who was in the beginning of sharing his stuff on social media, this is important, I think, to keep in mind, because there will be always comments of strangers who don't know you and critique your work. I have regularly below my comments, although most of the people have positive thoughts about my photography and my videos. Here and there, people just come in and say my shots are mediocre or they suck or whatever. And I have to say, if I read that stuff, it bugs me, it keeps me busy. But in the end, I just try to keep in mind that I shoot for myself, I shoot for my own progress, and therefore it doesn't matter what kind of photos I get, if they are bangers or if they are just mediocre stuff. Just keep on practicing. And if you want to shoot street photography in that regard of people, and you don't want to put your camera up to the face of the people, just shoot them from far away, from the back. I did that lately also with my Leica M9 video up here, where I had not the courage to shoot the people in front of me, just only the backs when they are not noticing me. And I think it's still fine to practice that way. Next topic is the gear part, which Jay also mentioned in this video. I think it's a good idea as an introvert to blend in. You don't want to get noticed by people that you are taking a picture of them. And in my opinion, acting like a tourist, even if it's in your own town or in your neighborhood, shooting something with your phone or like point and shoot here is a great way to blend in and don't get much attention. To start out street photography, as you don't need to spend a lot of money. This point and shoot, I will make a dedicated video. So this one is a Sony point and shoot, which was released in 2012, so 14 years ago. And also your phone is also something everyone has in their pocket. You just have to get into the mindset of taking street photos with your phone. And I think most people seeing people taking pictures with an iPhone or an Android phone, they automatically assume you're a tourist, or at least they don't take you as seriously. And with that, you still get your practice in. A little bonus tip regarding gear. If you have one of these modern phones, I have here the iPhone 10 Pro. They have 3 focal lengths. Basically, you can zoom in or get wider shots. This point and shoot also zoom. And this sometimes helps to get closer to people for certain shots. Again, regarding the gear part, also if you look at social media and YouTube, there's a kind of a comeback of digicams. these you can get around 10-20 bucks, or perhaps your parents, grandparents still have some in a drawer. You can take that out, shoot. People will also assume you will be a tourist, so just staying off the radar helps, I guess. Next point I want to make is shooting at a convenient time. What do I mean by that? Depending on where you live, you might have a big city where you have rush hour in the morning and in the evening. In these time frames, people are mostly busy with themselves. And if you here try to take pictures of people by acting like a tourist, most of them won't notice you. They are busy with themselves, and you can still get some awesome pictures of people. And I think it also might help to shoot at least at the beginning, always at the same place. For example, I'm currently in a park here, just to get familiar with your environment, and you know what kind of street corners here are, and get yourself just comfortable. And if you repeat that, I guess your mind will also connect the place to street photography, and you will get over time more comfortable shooting in that public space, taking pictures of people. In my opinion, you will build trust in yourself to continue your street photography of people. And the last point I want to mention is not a tip, but just at least an experience of mine. And if I look at other videos on YouTube who are also introverts, that topic comes up. And I just wanted to mention this topic regarding fear. If you clicked on this video, you already had fear of taking pictures of strangers and people in a context of street photography. And at my current state, I can say that the fear won't go away. You will get a little bit more comfortable about the topic. But at least for me, every time I go into the streets and take a picture of people, there's always an excitement and a little bit of fear if someone will confront me.
Hallo. Alles gut?
Even if I just go along and snap a picture during my walk, just to limit the limitations of confrontation. I guess, in my opinion, it's important just to keep shooting, practice your craft, and just be aware that you are not alone regarding the fear. As I mentioned, in my current experience, the fear don't go away, but it's more manageable. Also regarding gear and settings for street photography, I would say that closing down your aperture to get most stuff in focus with the highest shutter speed, so they can also shoot during your walking, helps at the beginning. I do that a lot, just walking and snapping pictures of people and moving on, and that also helps to get your reps and as an introvert regarding street photography. If you're still watching until this point, thank you very much. You are the one who deserves the like. And if you want to support my small little channel, just check the links below in the description, or buy me a copy, also below in the description. And if you want to see more videos of my channel, just click on one of these, which YouTube suggests for you, and have a great day.